PubMed searching, and the content of PubMed will be discussed in this session. PubMed is actually PMC. PMC is PubMed Central. It is an archive of almost all biomedical and life science journal literature published so far are included in this as a free full text archive. And PubMed is a tool maintained by US based National Institute of Health NIH and National Library of Medicine NLM. It collects and preserves the biomedical literature, biomedical as well as biology, life science, bioinformatics literature. All published literature are included in PMC. So PMC serves as a digital counterpart of National Library of Medicine extensive print journal collection. And also PMC was developed and is managed by NCBI, National Center for Biotechnology Information, which was established in the year 2000. PubMed has the printed or full text archive, as well as the other information also can be derived or can be extracted from PubMed site. Here is the home page of PubMed. As we can see over here, it has a menu, corresponding menu, and there are basic searching methods and advanced searching methods. The journal list are listed over here. Now to start to have to get started with the searching process, you can see that there is a small menu window where you can enter the type of the data that you are searching for, and on the right menu you can enter a detailed searching option with sufficient keywords and logical operators put together. You can make up the query, and you can type the query over here to get a corresponding searching. So as we can see over here, there are a lot of sub menus where you can use the journal. You can view the journal list, the information of publishers, the participation agreements. So many terms can be viewed here also. So PMC stands for PubMed Central. In this screenshot, we can see that we have selected nucleotide as the primary searching keyword, and then we have given as COVID-19 as the sub keyword. So we have received a GenBank entry over here. Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 complete genome sequence can be derived from here. So the related articles can also be extracted from this PubMed tool. So here you can see that the NCBI reference sequence is been listed over here. Unique reference number related to this particular search entry has been listed over here as NC045512.2. We can download the FASTA format, or we can download the graphical representation also. It is been listed over here, and the corresponding details, all the additional details are listed under this particular entry. The locus position, the definition of the detailed definition of the entry, the accession number, the version. So all these details are being discussed over here. So as we have seen, there is a basic search options and advanced search options that must be clearly understood to get the exact data that we are looking for. The exact information that we are looking for can be extracted or downloaded. the search options depend upon a particular specific citation, or you can make a search depending upon the author name or journal name, or even date wise extraction of data is also possible over here. We can include many filters into the query we are placing on the menu. And we can search for a particular phrase, or we can truncate some searching terms, or we can combine more than one keywords for searching option using the boolean operators and or not. So all these basic searching as well as the advanced searching options are available in PubMed. So using these options we can get the exact journal information or whatever published information regarding a particular topic that we are searching for. Here is a graphical representation as we have seen FASTA format. In adjacent to FASTA format, there was a graph representation, and when we click on the graphical representation, we can see that the protein information, protein sequence, graphical representation of the protein sequence of human insulin has is been displayed over here. The alpha A chain, B chain, etc. can be viewed graphically over here. So here articles also can be visualized. If you give the book as the primary search option, we will get different articles associated with, and on the right side menu you can see that whatever we are searching for, the corresponding all the corresponding articles published so far are being displayed. And here we can go to the blast option over here, or other link also are provided in PubMed. So using PubMed, it is actually a central point for searching published work of all biomedical terms, and as well as bioinformatics terms, and related terms can be viewed by making the corresponding searching in PubMed.